Hi, welcome to the Digital Service Report sign up page. This video is going to explain how to create an account and get into the Digital Service Report platform. So all of these fields are pretty self-explanatory. First, you need to put in your name. So your first name and then your surname and then your business name. And it's important to use your full business name here because this will show up on your job reports, the PDFs that the DSR platform sends out as an email to your customers. Next up, you need to put in your business phone number. And then you need to fill out your email address. So here you would put your business email address. And this is also important to fill out as your official business email address because this will show up on the reports that you send out to your customers. And if they reply to the email will come straight into your business email inbox. Next up, you just put in your password, hit sign up, and your account will be created. So now your account is created, and here you can put in your discount code. So to access the 2-month free trial that comes with your first account, you can type the code DSR02 into the coupon box and hit apply code. Then you'll see that the code is successfully applied and you are paying $0 per month for the first 2 months of your subscription plan. And then once your free trial is over, if you do not cancel your subscription, you'll be charged the regular fee of $79 a month. So now if I hit the subscribe button, fill out my card details, my account will be created and my free trial will begin. So there's my card details filled out. You do not need to click this remember me, that's for remembering your payment info, but you only need to enter your payment info into the DSR platform once. So now if I hit pay, my account will be created and my 2-month free trial will begin. And there we have it. I'm now subscribed and I can now access the DSR platform and start creating my job reports. In the videos to come, we'll demonstrate how to use the platform and how to create your very first job report. So I'll see you in the next video.